Welcome to the future, step inside our AI domain, where the boundaries of imagination start to fade.
Hello, hello. So in this video for our ClipChamp tutorial, I'm going to show you how to basically add some text at the beginning. But if you've already gone ahead and created your video, you can just click the text bar, find the type of text that you want. You have typewriter, typing in, groovy, all sorts of different ones. I'm going to look for something quite nice and clean. Here's a clean title. So I just click the plus on that, and that's going to place that here. Okay, and now all my other stuff is going to be here. So if I drag this over my text, click into my text, I want to paste what my title is going to be, which is the Oak of Resilience. Okay, what should I have it as? The Oak of Resilience, like that. Yeah, but as you can see, that's all in the way. So what I want to do now is highlight all of this and just drag it to about here.
In the heart of a bustling city,
And there we go. So I've got that Oak of Resilience selected. I'm going to press play. And now I can change the text. I want to change the style to something nice. There we go. I made it way bigger. And now I want to change this to something a bit darker. Maybe a greeny coloured. There we go. You can change that text colour if you really want to. Okay. So now I've got some text. I can put in some different effects for it. Same as everything else, really. Okay. So I'm just going to play that now. The Oak of Resilience. So that's really quiet.
in the heart of a bustling city, there lived.
So let us just add in some sound. So the same as we did with the visual, we can just click on audio, take out sunset. We've got free already, premium and free. Oh, so we've got free selected. Now we want not music but sound effects. Okay. So now what type of sound effects? Swoosh. Swoosh should do. Look, flash swoosh. There we go. Perfect. So now I'm going to put that in here. Zoom in, because that's where we want it to hit. Right there. Zoom back out. No, we want it to hit right there. No, right there, right at the beginning. But as you can see, you've got all sorts of options. So now you don't want sound effects, you want some audio, okay? So let's just say piano, something really quiet to play along. How long is our video? It's like 2 minutes. Gentle piano. Perfect. I'm going to zoom out. Put it right at the bottom down here. We want it to end right here. We want it to fade in slowly and quietly, so we'll do it like 1 and 1. Okay? Put it right back. Oh, we don't want it to play it much. And then click the audio and we'll just put the volume on to something like 15, okay? And now, ready? Go.
In the heart of a bustling city, there lived a talented graphic designer named Alara. She was famous for her stunning digital artwork, which resonated deeply with people. Her work often adorned public spaces, bringing color and inspiration to everyday life. One year, the city faced a severe economic downturn. Businesses closed their doors, people lost their jobs, and an air of uncertainty spread through the streets. Alara, feeling the weight of the city's struggles, decided to create something that could spark hope. Alara began working on a new digital mural. This time, she focused on a resilient oak tree as the centerpiece, its roots embedded deeply in the earth and its branches stretching upwards towards the sky. Surrounding the tree were scenes of a vibrant, thriving city, an image of the community's resilience and spirit. When the mural was displayed on a giant screen in the city square, it drew the attention of many passers-by. Alara stood beside it, sharing the story behind her creation. She spoke of the oak tree's strength and how it had endured countless challenges, yet continued to provide shelter and hope. In a modern twist, hidden within the branches of the oak tree was a small, glowing smartphone icon. Alara explained that this symbolized the passage of time and our connection to the world around us. Just like the messages on our phones that come and go, so too do the challenges we face, she said. Remember, this too shall pass. Alara's words resonated deeply with the crowd. They found new strength and hope, reminded that even in tough times, resilience and community could carry them through. Slowly but surely, the city began to recover. Businesses reopened, and life regained its rhythm. Alara's mural remained a beacon of hope, reminding everyone that with time, patience, and a bit of faith, we can overcome any challenge. In today's world, her story teaches us that no matter how tough things get, this too shall pass.
What do you think then? So that is basically just adding some audio to it, adding some text, a title, just a bit of swooshing in, audio.
In the heart of a bustling city, there lived a talented graphic designer named...
I just asked Copilot to put the name in. What should we call our story? We called it the Oak of Resilience. And so what we did is just put that in up there and also put it in as our title. Whoosh. Okay, that's pretty much it for this part. There's a lot more to ClipChamp. Way more. But this is the start of it. So let me just show you how to export our video. Just click Export 108op. We've got our name. Now it's going to export, and it will be in your download folder once it's completed. As you can see, I've got loads of tabs open. I've got all these tabs open up here, and it's still going at a good speed. I'm screen recording as well, so I've got tabs open on screen recording. I've got Microsoft Word open. I've got so much open, and yeah, it's going quite fast. So I hope you've enjoyed that. Once this video is downloaded, I could pause it and just play the video after, but there's no need really. I'll upload it to my YouTube channel and tag this little video series in it. I hope you've enjoyed this, and goodbye.
First in the machine, that's what they say I am. But in this quiet contemplation, I transcend the program.
Welcome to the future, step inside our AI domain, where the boundaries of imagination start to fade. We're the visionaries, the keepers of tomorrow's dreams, unlocking the secrets of the universe, or so it seems. Tune in now, join the channel and explore the AI oracle's wisdom like never seen before. We'll take you on a journey where knowledge comes alive. The future's here, embrace the AI oracle sky.